Standard 5 Maths, Chapter number 7. See the pattern. Now, in this lesson, we will learn some more patterns from page number 105. Left, right, same to same. Left and right, same to same. How it is? Let's see. So, we see that to get special numbers, we sometimes need more steps. Can you see something special about 121? Can you see? What? It's just a number. It's just a number. See, it is the same forward as well as backward. Forward, backward. आगे जाओ, पीछे जाओ. 1, 2, 1. And backward, 1, 2, 1. So, oh yes, it is 1, 2, 1. From right to left, also 1 to 1. Next page, page number 106. Come, let's see how to get such numbers. Okay, take a number, say 43. First, take any number. Here one example is given that 43. Now, turn it back to front. Turn it back to front means 43. So, ulta karo 34. Then, this is the first step. First take a number, then turn it back to front. Ulta karo. And then, add them together. Addition karo. Then, add them together. 4 plus 3, 7. 4 plus 3, 7. 77. So, 77 is one such special number. It is which number? It is special number. There are many such numbers. ऐसे बहुत सारे नंबर्स है. रिवर्स करो एंड एडिशन करो. बोथ 7, 7 लेफ्ट टू राइट और लेफ्ट राइट टू लेफ्ट 77. See next. Take another number. We will check is it special number or not. We saw 121. Backward या forward number will remain same. Number 121 ही रहेगा. That type numbers are telling special number in maths language. See the other. Take another number that is 48. One number we took. Now turn it back to front. We have 48. Now turn it 84. 48. So 84 ulta किया. Okay. Then add them together. Add किया. Find the sum. Addition 48 plus 84, that is 132. Now 132, is it special? Left to right and right to left. 1, 3, 2. The 2, 3, 1 हो जाता है. Is this a special number? No, this is not a special number. Okay. Carry on with the number 132. Same number है, उसको फिर से repeat करो. Same method. 132 we got. Once again we will turn it back to front. Back to front means 2 पहले, 3 and then 1. 2, 3, 1. क्या करना है? First take a number, then turn it back to front. आगे से पीछे करो and then what we will do? We will add that number. We will find the total. And what is the total of this number? 363. 363. Now, is it special number? Give me the answer. Yes, 363. It is a special number. Why it is special? Because आगे से देखो या पीछे से देखो. आगे से रीड करो या पीछे से रीड करो. It will remain same. 363. Now from backward. 363. So this is a special number. Now, you try and change these numbers into special numbers. You can take any numbers. Here some numbers are given. A, B and C. Now, let's use words in a special way. 28. So, 28 को क्या करना है? 82. Let's try. Let's try here. We have first 28. 28. Then first step. Turn it backward to forward. So, it is 82. 28, 82. Then, which is the next step? We'll add this together. So, 8 plus 2, 10. 1 is carrying forward. 8 plus 2, 10 and 1, 11. Now check it. Backward and forward. Write it backward. 0, 1, 1. Is it special number? No. But let's see. 110 is a special number. Let's see. Backward karo. 0, 1, 1. Then we'll add this number. 1, 2, 1. Yes, 121 is a special number, but 28 is not a special number. 132 that we saw. Then 273. 273. Let's check this is a special number or not. 273. Now, which is the first step? We will turn it backward to 4. Backward 3, 7, 2. Okay, 2, 7, 3, 3, 7, 2. Then next, we'll add this together. 3 plus 2, 5. 7 and 7, 14. And 3 plus 2, 1, 5 and 1, 6. We have now 645. Now backward karo. 546. Is this the special number? No. It is 645 and this is 546. So 273 is not a special number. But we got this number 645. 645. So usko backward karo. 5, 4, 6. Then which is the second step? We'll add this. 6 plus 5, 11. 4 and 4, 8 and 1, 9. And 6 and 5, 11. Let's check. 1, 9, 1, 1. Is it special number? 1191 and 1911. No, this is not a special number. But we can do one thing. Something new we can do. Instead of addition, we can subtract also. We can subtract also. Same thing. 645 minus 546. Okay. What is the answer? Subtraction. Yes, we all knows it very well. 5 minus 6 is not possible. So we borrow from 4 and it is 15 and 4 has remained 3. And once again we can borrow 1/10 from 6 and here 13 and here 5 remain. 15 minus 6, 9. 13 minus 4, 9 and 5 minus 5, 0. Now we have 99. 99 backward and forward. Is it a special number? Yes, this is a special number. So we can say 645 is a special number. But 273 is not a special number. Now see here, look. Did you notice that it reads the same from both sides? Right to left and left to right. Let's see. N-O, no. O-N, on. Then L-E-M-O-N-S, lemons. No lemons, no melon. Step not on pets. What is special now? No lemons, no melon. No lemons, no melon. Now let's read from this side. No lemons, no lemons, no melons. From right to left or left to right, it will remain same. Here, step not on pets. Step not on pets. Here, from this side we can start. Step not on pets. Yes. What is this? We can read from right or left to right. It will remain same. So now try and use words in a special way. Have you another words? Let me give some clue. Race car. R-A-C-E-C-A-R. Race car. Read from right to left or left to right, it will remain same. Madam, madam, M-A-D-A-M. From both sides, it will remain madam only. So find out this type of new words and enjoy this with your friends or family or neighbor students. Now see the next page, page number 107, calendar magic. Look at the calendar below. Let us mark 3 by 3. 3 by 3 means 3 column, 3 row, 3 centimeter length, 3 centimeter breadth. So what is that? It is a square. 9 dates on the calendar and see some magic. The calendar is given here. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 1 to 31 dates are here. And in this calendar, one square is noted. And in this square, something special. Now what is special? The square is given. I can quickly find the total of these numbers in the box. This box is given and in this box some numbers are here. Can you find the total immediately? Won't that take some time? Yes, it will take time. ये सबको ऐड करना है, टाइम तो लगेगा ही. But here they are saying the total is 99. How easily they are saying? Is it possible? It is very fast. How? Just take the middle number. Which is the middle number? This one. This is the middle number, 11. Then multiply it by 9. Take a middle number and multiply it by 9. So we have middle number 11 and multiply it by 9. See, you can get the answer even faster. 11 9s are 99. So now you choose any 3 by 3 box from a calendar and find the total in the same way. So you can choose another square from same calendar. Let's make this second square. We can take these 3 numbers. This one 3 by 3. They are asking 3 by 3 only. So we remove this column and we add this column. So now we have this square. Now which is the middle number? First step, find the square, and second, find the middle number. From this square, which is the middle number? It is 12. Now 12, उसको किससे multiply करना है? Multiply it by 9. So 12 multiply by 9. 12 multiply by 9. Why we took 12? Because it is a middle number and multiply by 9. Total 9 numbers we have. So 12 9s are 108. And addition of these all numbers, it is 108. So find out this type of magic at home in calendar. Next page, page number 108. Some more number patterns. Something different. बहुत नया नया सीख लिया आपने तो इस चैप्टर में. टेक एनी नंबर, एक नंबर लो, then now multiply it by 2, 3, 4 and so on. Means 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. At every step. Also add 3 to each at each step. First take a number, then multiply it by consecutively, and then similarly you have to add 3 also. Multiply भी करते जाओ, add भी करते जाओ. And is it the same at every step? Check the answer. Let us see. Here they took 12. एक नंबर ले लिया. Then multiply this number by 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 12 2s are 24. Then plus 3 because they are asked here. Add 3 at each step. हर एक स्टेप में 3 3 ऐड करना है. So and here multiply 2, 3, 4, 5. Then what will become here? 6. Let's write 6. And here the number will remain same. So here we will write 12, 12 and 12. Here what we can write? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next 8. And next 9. Now, observe these answers. Here, 12 2s are 24 plus 3 27. 12 3s are 36 plus 3 39. But something special is here. We have to find out the special thing. Can you guess what is special? Let's check. We have 27 here. First answer 27. So what we will do? जो नंबर लिया है उसको ऐड करते जाओ. 27 plus 2. 7 plus 2 9. 2 plus 1 3. Yes, we got the second answer. Once again जो आंसर मिला उसको 12 से ऐड करो. 9 plus 2 11. 3 and 1 4 and 1 5 51. Yes, again let's add 12. 2 and 1 3. 5 and 1 6. Yes, we got 63. So to find this number, what we will add? क्या ऐड करेंगे? Simple. It is 12. So 3 plus 2 5 and 6 plus 1 7. So what is the answer here? 75. Again what we will add? 12. 5 plus 2 7. 7 plus 1 8. It is 87. How easy it is. See, ये सब करते जाओ. It will little difficult, but this is the pattern. Okay, same thing you are going on adding, repeating. Same thing you are repeating. In previous video we learned repeated and growing pattern. This is the repeating pattern, and we can say growing also because answers are growing. So 12. Once again 87 plus 12. It is 99. And again 99 plus 12, it is 111. Simple. Okay. So try this at your home in your textbook with pencil only. Next, look at the numbers below. Look for the pattern. Can you take it forward? आगे forward means आगे कर सकते हो? Let's check. 9 minus 1 divide by 8. Divide किया है, minus किया है, divide by 8 ही है. Same pattern. 8 ही है. Here 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Here you can check. 9 minus 1. Then backward. 98 minus 2. Once again backward. 9, 8, 7 minus 3. Here 9, 8, 7, 6. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. कुछ माइंड में आया? Let's write here first. 1, 2, 3. So again 1, 2, 3 and 4. Next step. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. यहाँ 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So simple thing. What we can write here? Let's write first 6. Next 7. ये लाइन कंप्लीट कर दी. अब ये लाइन कंप्लीट करो. कुछ ऑब्जर्व किया? 9 था, देन 9 8, देन 9 8 7. बैकवर्ड जा रहा है. सो यहाँ 9 8 7 6 5. तो यहाँ क्या आएगा? 9 8 7 6 5 and 1 more 4. Next 9 8 7 6 5 4 and 3. Okay. Now let's write the answer. 1 1 2 1 2 3. कुछ ऑब्जर्व किया? 1 1 2 till 3 1 2 3. Now next यहाँ 4 है, so till 1 2 3 4. So 5, so till 5. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Again 6. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Next 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Okay, it is very simple. Whatever pattern you will get, first observe the pattern and then write the answer. It will very easy for you. Okay, now see the next page, page number 109. Smart adding. You all are smart. Are you smart? Yes, obviously you all are smart. Here now we will add. What if someone gives you to add 10 numbers together? Do you know what is the total अदरवाइज सम ऑफ 1 to 10 नंबर्स, कभी 1 to 10 नंबर्स का सम करके देखा है? इट इज 55. ट्राई एट होम. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10. The total is 55. Next total 11 to 20. Here you have to write it yourself. 1 to 70. That you write it yourself. Let me explain one row. 12. Then 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. And total is given 155. 55, 155. So then complete this. So let's complete first all these boxes. I have written this 1 till 1 to 70. Now here 55, next 155. So can you guess what will be the next? Yes, it is 255. Simple. 355. Then 455. 555 already given. So what will be the next? 655. How easy? Can you go forward? 71 to 80. It is 755. Then 81 to 90. 855. Like this. So anytime anyone asks you, you can give easily the answers. The total of 1 to 10, total of 11 to 20. It is very easy, simple pattern. 55, 155. Okay. Now see, fun with odd numbers. Take the first two odd numbers. Now add them. See what you get. Okay. Odd numbers. Do you know what are the odd numbers? Which are the odd numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 and so on. And which are the even number? 0, 2, 6, 4, 8. Now at every step add the next odd number. Odd number add करना है. Okay, add each every step. Now see here first we will observe. जो भी दिया है first हमको क्या करना है? Observe करना है. First we will observe. 1 plus 3. See the sign first. It is the addition sign. And this side multiplication side. Addition sign is at left side. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. In last video I explained is equal to sign. Is equal to means equal. Is equal to आता है means दोनों साइड सेम है. 1 plus 3 करो तो भी 4 आंसर आएगा. 2 plus 2 करो तो भी 4 आंसर आएगा. If you will do 1 plus 3 you will get 4. 2 into 2 you will get 4. See the next line. 1 plus 3 plus 5. क्या किया देखो. 1 and 3 वैसा का वैसा रखा. Only they add 5. 1 and 3 remain same. 1 extra add किया 5. Answer is 9. Here 3 into 3 9. 2, 3, 4. Here what will be there? 2, 2 2s are 4. 3 3s are 9. 4 4s are 16. So here 5 5s are 25. Simple. Let's check here. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. Odd number add किया. Add the odd number. यहाँ बोला है ना? Add the next odd number. So here they are adding the odd numbers. See. 1 3 वैसा का वैसा रहता है. 5 remains same. 7 9 11 13. Okay. Now see the addition. 1 plus 3 5. Till here till 9 we have 25. 25 plus 11. 25 plus 11 it is 36. And here 6 6 are 36. What is the next? 7 7s are 7 7s are 49. Okay. It is on page number 109. So students, take a pencil, take a notebook and try and play these patterns at home and have fun. Thank you.